Hi first graders, here we're making a sock stuffy. So you will need fluff, you will need rice, you will need string, you will need a sock, and you will need markers. So here we go guys. So we just put some rice in this. So now we're gonna put fluff in it, and we're gonna need just the right amount of fluff. Probably your parents can help you. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open this. We just put the fluff back in and now it looks like this. So if you just don't have all the ingredients, you need a what? Okay. Okay. Play. Okay. Now we're gonna tie the string around this. And just to know, this is kind of hard, so ask your parents to help you. And my mom's helping me. She's actually videoing the video. So we just tied the strings. So now it looks like this, and it kind of looks kind of weird. So we cut it too. So now we're gonna do this. We're gonna put this on like that. Boom. And then there we go. Here's our sock stuffy. Now, right now, we're gonna draw it. So let's get our Sharpies out and start drawing. Okay guys, let's do it. If you want yours to look happy, sad, that's fine with me. Just make sure it's all nice, you know? So there it is. There's a nice smile. And, you know, this is kind of like a snowman, but if you don't want it as a snowman, that's fine with me. Just make it your best. Now if you want to decorate for Easter like I did with this one, you can do that too. So if you want to go like this or something, like a little design, you can do that. And it kind of looks like this now. And if you want to draw the hat, that's fine with me, just like that. We're gonna get a yellow marker. Let's see if it's the right one. Nope. Okay. If you want to use blue again, that's fine. It can be winter one, it can be a snowman, or it can be like Easter, the 4th of July. Be whatever you want. You can also make different things like this. Like maybe green. We can go like this. Nice design. Really nice design. There we go. Now we're gonna put purple. And on the bottom, just like this one, we're gonna do that. Now, looks like on the bottom like this, so there we go. Okay guys, it's time to make a sock stuffy. See you later, bye.